Making new friends as an adult is easier than you think. Good friends are worth so much. Having supportive, close friends is one of the best things in life. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart." When you think about the friends you have had, you can see how true this is. But many of us might wonder how to make friends as an adult. While it can be hard to meet new people you really connect with as an adult, everyone wants social connection at some point, and some of us want new, exciting friendships. So, what do we do now? We try to make new friends. If you're looking for help on how to make friends as an adult, here are 6 great ways to make new friends, with some tips to get you started. Number 1, make the first move. Waiting for someone else to start a friendship won't work. Friendships don't just happen by themselves, they need effort. Someone has to take the first step, and that someone can be you. This means you should be the one to call your new neighbor instead of waiting to meet them by chance on trash day. If you see someone who seems friendly in your exercise class, like the woman who also attends the silver singles class, ask her if she would like to walk with you for exercise. Taking the initiative can feel scary, but it's the best way to start new friendships. Remember, this is how to make friends as an adult. Number 2, make yourself available. If you want to make friends, you need to go where people are and be open to meeting them. Sitting alone won't usually attract friends because others might think you prefer being by yourself. For instance, if you're in school, try sitting at a table with a few other students. It doesn't have to be a big group, but being around others increases your chances of connecting. Remember, friends don't usually come to your doorstep while you're at home on your laptop. If you see opportunities to socialize and meet new people, take them. Attend social events at school or work, and if you get invited to a party, give it a shot. Being open and accessible is key to making friends as an adult. Number 3, increase your self-confidence. When you feel good about yourself and believe in yourself, others are more likely to notice those positive qualities in you too. Being comfortable with who you are and being in a good place mentally and emotionally are crucial steps before building new relationships. It's important not only to make friends but also to keep them once you've formed a bond. Number 4, don't set your expectations too high or expect too much from one person. When making friends, it's wise to have several friends for different reasons. This helps avoid relying too much on one person or forming relationships based on past traumas. It's important to be realistic about what you expect from friendships. Number 5, be yourself. If you're pretending to be someone you're not, who are people really getting to know? It's important to be authentic and true to yourself when forming friendships. As Dr. Seuss wisely said, "Today you are you, that is truer than true." There is no one alive who is youer than you. Being genuine allows others to connect with the real you, fostering deeper and more meaningful relationships based on honesty and mutual understanding. So, embrace your unique qualities and let your true self shine when making new friends. It's the best way to build lasting bonds. Number 6, practice empathy. Empathy is key to building relationships and creating bonds. It involves understanding how someone else might feel in a situation and showing that you care. Empathy helps others feel listened to, understood, and connected to us. Compassionate empathy goes beyond understanding. It means being willing to help if it's wanted. This kind of empathy can lead to deeper friendships. Making friends as an adult takes effort and courage, but it's worth it for the meaningful connections you can build. Remember to take the first step, put yourself out there, and be true to yourself. Practice empathy and keep realistic expectations. By doing so, you'll create opportunities for genuine friendships to blossom. So, go ahead and start your journey to finding new friends who enrich your life.